Hey guys, welcome back to Kaushik Tech and Gaming. And today we have the Pro Bass Ranger headphones from the Bolt Audio. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. So this is the box of the headphones. And on the box we get the product picture and the model number, which is S09, and the company branding, which is Bolt Audio. The packaging was not good, but luckily the headphones were safe. And at the back some product specifications and the MRP, which is 8,000 rupees. But you will get these headphones around 1800 on Amazon and Flipkart. So now let me just open this box. And on opening the box, we get our headphones and some accessories. First I will show you the accessories. And first we get the charging cable, which is a USB to micro USB charging cable, and then 3.5 mm aux cable, through which you can use these headphones as wired. And a warranty card, which gives 1 year warranty, and some more papers. And now comes the headphones. The first appearance of these headphones is really amazing, and these headphones are very big. And this is the design of the ear cuffs, and this is a very unique design. And on both the ear cuffs we get the Bolt branding on a wooden texture material, which is plastic, and the black grill, which is also made up of plastic. And talking about their weight, these are not that heavy, about 250 grams, but I thought that these headphones will be heavy due to their size. These headphones are over the head headphones, and the quality of the cushions is also very good, and the material used for making these cushions is leather, and also the cushions are very soft, and you can use these headphones for a long time. And these headphones come with the adjustable headband. That means these headphones can adjust according to your head, which is supported by a solid metal frame, which also gives it a premium look. So talking about the controls, all the controls are on the right ear cuff, and mainly we got 3 buttons: the power button and the up and down button. The power button is for on and off, and the up and down buttons are for volume and changing the track. And on the bottom of the ear cuff we get the LED indicator, a micro USB port, an aux port, and an integrated microphone for calling. And the voice quality from the microphone is also very good. Now comparing these headphones with my old headphones, which are the Bolt Audio Flex, and clearly you can see the difference. These are very big headphones, and the Audio Flex are over the ear headphones, and you can see the size of the Pro Bass is just double of these headphones. These headphones come with the 50 mm driver for the best music experience, and these headphones also come with built-in micro woofers, which gives extra bass. These headphones don't have noise cancellation feature, but as these are over the head headphones, they cover your whole ear and reduces around 40% of the environmental noise. And the overall build quality of these headphones is very good, and I will rate it 9 out of 10. And talking about some specifications, the battery life of this headphones is about 13 hours, and the charging time is around 2 to 3 hours, and the wireless range is up to 10 meters. These headphones come with Bluetooth 5.0 version. These headphones are also IPX5 water resistant, which makes them sweat proof. Now let's talk about the connectivity. By pressing the power button for about 2 to 3 seconds, these headphones turn on. Then open the Bluetooth settings in your phone to connect these headphones. And then click on Bolt Audio Pro Bass. And this also shows the battery level. So for the audio test, I have kept the mic in these headphones, and here are the results.
those profanities. I see the world through ice covered in ink and bleach. Cross.
These are very loud headphones and the 50mm driver gives very heavy bass. And even on the full volume, you will not experience any distortion in the audio. And here is my gaming experience. This video was recorded before the PUBG ban, so don't worry.
Team match, let's go.
I will not say that these headphones are purely for gaming, as you will experience some delay, and the delay is about 0.7 to 1 second. The audio is very clear and you can hear the footsteps clearly. And if you're looking for headphones under 1800 rupees, then these headphones will be a great choice. And that's it for today's video. And if you like this video, hit that like button. And if you want more technical stuff and technical news, then subscribe to our channel. And I will see you in the next video. Till then, stay safe. Bye bye.